It's John Champion here, and this the voice of Jim Beglin.
Yeah, thanks, John. Well, we have great expectation here today for both sets of players. I mean, this match really promises something good.
Now, let's see how both these teams will line up. So much has been written and said in the build-up to this game, but what sort of contest are you really expecting?
Well, I'm sure the two sets of players will respond to our expectations, but the key point today may well be taking those chances.
We are off and running. North. James Collins. Ball in early. And that's a very fine header. And it's gone out for a goal kick. Pedro Benitez. He's a crowd pleaser, all right. Picked it off. Vissa. Airbes. Pedro Benitez. It's a throw-in. Blake. Hits it well. They've been given a corner.
It's certainly a very promising start so far, but they've come up against a really solid defence. They're going to need to find just a little more guile and craft.
There's a possibility here for a shot. They hit it long now. Pedro Benitez. Surely he's in. No, not on this occasion.
Right in front of goal like that, and he's gone and missed it. I won't have to tell him that's not good enough. Well, this has been an aggressive attacking start from them. They've been very much on the front foot, and if they maintain this pressure, it's looking very good for them.
Turnbull. Emerson. Sends it forward. He's kept it low. It's in! It's 1-0. How about that for a start? Plays an early ball in, and the cross dealt with. It's cleared away. Dembele, Emerson, Vissa, moving up the wing, Airbez, who has an assist to his name.
Well, if they're going to spread the play and find the wide man, then they have to improve on that.
Long pass forward. The ball going in front. Crucial interception in the box.
Well, he rushed into that and didn't give anyone a chance to get on the end of it.
Orban. North. And he crosses it. They've scored! Oh, that response is spot on. They've put themselves right back in it now.
He had a perfect reaction. There was such a determination in him to find an equaliser. Well, I thought he rose well in front of the goal to direct his header into the back of the net, but you can't give a free header in an area like that and expect not to be punished.
Emerson. Now. And he crosses it into the middle. Sloppy defending, and the danger is still there. Dembele. Chance!
But just how wasteful was that?
It's well cleared. That'll be a throw. Kennedy. Ball played in, and the ball comes down into the gloves of the keeper, plucked out of danger. Joel, Carabellas, Dempsey. This goes for a throw-in. Cross in. Read the play so well and got to the ball. Great work. And he sends it in. No! Corner taken. Then a header. Plenty of chances, but the finishing not up to it.
Well, they're not playing that badly. I think the chances are there, but there's not a lot to show for their efforts. Well, they've had a number of shots now that have been close and on target, but as long as they don't get a little anxious, as long as they keep their cool, they'll be fine.
Free kick given by the referee. He can have a go from here. And he goes direct. That will go behind for a goal kick. We've barely had half of the first half. Vissa brings it back. The ball goes out of play in a good position. It's going right across the goal, and the cross repelled. Pedro Benitez. North. Returns the ball. Crosses towards the centre. Joel. Carabellas. A promising attack. Blake.
Well, he's read that well once more, but can he now get them on the front foot?
And a ball in. North. Kennedy. And the cross. And the cross cleared away. It's played back. Now he's ready for a shot. And his shot didn't find the net.
Well, you could see what he was trying to do and hoping to find the roof of the net, but the accuracy just let him down.
Turnbull, Semchov, Visa, forward it goes. James Collins, Joel, Dempsey, North. Picked off the ball, Turnbull. Visa. Airbase. North. Wins the ball. Three colleagues hoping for a pass. Airbase. And through he moves. Here's a chance. Corner it is. Maybe now. Well saved.
Oh, great reactions there from him to stop that.
Dempsey. And he was obstructed there. Referee gives the free kick. Pass cut out. Visa, Dembele, Airbes, Semchov, already on the score sheet. Kennedy. Coming up the side. And he crosses to the centre. There goes the whistle, and it's half-time.
Fabulous commitment shown from this team. I'm sure doubt crept in after the opener, but they've kept at it. I think a lot of credit to the captain for rallying his troops so well.
1-1 as it stands, so nothing to separate them. So the second half kicks off. Susayeta. North. Order. Blake. An early ball in. North. Vissa. Semshov. Vissa. Airbes. Fouled there, wicket given. The cross met firmly. Good attacking pressure there. Throw in a decent area. Fletcher. Well, he's got a choice, but he can certainly move it forward. Charles. Now a promising attack from a wide position. Fletcher. Carabellas. Dempsey. Joel. James Collins. An opportunity down the side. Cuts it out. Joel. Carabellas. Charles. Semshov. And the shot! It was a good ball in.
I'll be annoyed with himself for not scoring there. He was one-on-one with the keeper, but he really should have done better.
James Collins. Dempsey. James Collins. Keeper's there, he made the right move and picks it up. Carabellas. Orban. And we've reached the hour mark. No way through. Versic. The ball given back. And he hits it in towards the middle. There's the chance. The idea was good, execution wasn't.
Well, all that good play came to nothing. They can put it together, but they must be more decisive.
Fletcher. Blake. And he'll shoot here. Great finish. 2-1 the score.
When the balls are coming from behind, they're never easy to control, so all credit to him for putting that away.
There'll be a throw-in. Good interception here. He's going on his own. Will he go on his own, or is he going to pass? Joel Fanchon. Joel Dempsey. And that's a foul. Referee right on the spot to give it. Kennedy. The equaliser. And crosses. And the cross is cleared. Promising movement. And he crosses in. And no danger there from that cross. Joel. That's a throw. Now a chance. Watching the last 15 minutes of the game. North. Fletcher. James Collins. There's a chance to get a cross in. It's gone for the middle. The keeper comes in and makes the catch. Oh, the crowd love a dribbler. Gets possession. The ball crossed the line. Blake. Visser going forward. He desperately needs some support. Possibilities here. The ball's out. Goal kick. Switches play to the other side. Emerson. Charles. Now an attack based on width. Carabelas. North. Visser. Semchov. Charles. Now running up the flank. Emerson. Now he crosses into the centre. Good support, and he's stolen it. Back it goes, and a chance! A gilt-edged chance missed.
Oh look, the clock is really against them, and that could have been their last chance to get back on level terms. And they're only a goal behind, so there's no sign of them quitting on a chance to level things now. Although that one didn't find the net, I'm expecting them to come again.
He goes for it. Daryl Murphy, and he launches it forward. Got a touch on the ball. Blake. He plays the ball back. Visser plays that one back. Manic. Oh, this ball control is excellent. Wins the ball. Fletcher. Daryl Murphy. James Collins. Looking towards the penalty area now. Seems to play for a throw. And plays it in. And the cross is cleared. Charles. And that brings to an end 90 minutes of football. While some teams may have panicked, they showed real team solidarity, always working for each other tirelessly and pushing for the win.
You know, they're going to be so happy with that win. Having conceded the opener, they managed a very impressive response and finally won through.
So, thanks very much, Jim, for your analysis today. Time is now up.